Alright, here we have the formulas for the lateral and surface area of a cone. This would be the preferable one to use for lateral area. It's pi times the radius times, again, this L is the slant height, which is the height up the diagonal height up the side of a cone rather than the height which goes straight up from the base. Okay. And for surface area, it might be more useful to use rather than just LA plus capital B. B is the area of the base, which, remember, the area of the base is a circle, and the area of a circle, its formula is pi times radius squared. So really our formula is the the lateral area, which is pi times radius times slant height, and then plus pi times radius squared. Okay, so this is the one you would probably want to put in your notes, because it tells you exactly what you need instead of trying to remember what capital B and LA are. It's really used for cones because they always have the same shape on the bottom, so we can just write a formula for them. Okay, this asks us to find the lateral area of the cone. Now, to find the lateral area of the cone, we first need our formula, which is pi times the radius times the slant height. Okay, now do we have everything we need? Well, the radius is the distance halfway across the circle, which they gave us here. Perfect, that's our radius. The slant height is the diagonal height of the side of the cone. Perfect, they gave us that also. So really all we have to do is plug our two numbers into the formula. And again, read your questions carefully so you know if you need lateral or surface. And they just wanted lateral here. So we have pi times our radius, which was 5, times the slant height, which was 13. You can go ahead and do 5 times 13. Gives us 65. So our answer would be 65 pi, and that was in meters squared. If they want it in terms of pi, with the pi left in it, that would be our answer. If they would like it rounded, then we would go ahead and multiply 65 times our pi, and we would get our more exact answer of our answer without pi of 204.2 approximately.